Töltött paprika. This one will be complicated. The first thing you are going to need are the skin, just the skin, of about 12 to 16 of these yellow peppers. And throw away the placenta. Don't worry if there are a few seeds that hang on. Add all of these to a large flat pan and start boiling. This will take a while. Immediately wash your hands before you accidentally rub your eyes. The pepper will be ready when you are able to cut it using solely a wooden spoon. So in the meantime, you can start preparing the stuffing. Add the chicken, ground up chicken that is, a third of an onion, finely diced, half a cup of steamed rice, some paprika, black pepper, a little bit of garlic, and go very light on the dill. Finally, to make it all stick together, 1 egg. Now stir well. You can now make small patties of the stuffing. Let's put that to the side. You are going to need a sauce thickener. So use 2 hefty tablespoons of flour and 3 tablespoons of oil. You need to stir these together till the thickener smoothens. You can always add a little bit of chicken stock to make that happen. You will want to get rid of all of those clumps. By this time, the peppers should have softened, that you can in fact cut them with the wooden spoon. So we are going to put the thickener back in. Along with a full can of tomato paste. And now we are ready to add the stuffing. At this point, you mostly just need to wait for the soup to boil away while watching the stuffing. Turn every approximately 3 minutes. Obviously, this serves 4 or 5 people, but if you have leftovers, they can be frozen and reheated over the stovetop. Do not use a microwave. Remember to sometimes stir the bottom, as the thickener may stick to the pan. Jó étvágyat! And good luck with the cleanup afterwards.